What if I told you you could turn a simple Google Doc into a live web app that anyone on the internet can open? That too without any complicated setup or long development cycle. With Replit's new Agent 4 doing most of the heavy lifting. And the crazy part is, the agent doesn't just help generate the app, it can even detect issues and help resolve them while the app is running. Let me show you how this works. Most people write ideas in Google Docs like guides, tutorials, reports, and even ebooks. But when it comes to publishing that content online, things get complicated. You usually have to build a website, hire a developer, or learn tools that take hours to understand. But today, we're going to use Replit Agent 4 to turn that content into a beautiful web app in just a few minutes. This is especially useful for founders, entrepreneurs, and creators who want to turn ideas or guides into real products quickly without spending weeks building everything from scratch. Replit's new Agent 4 can help you to build many things like mobile apps, games, and animations. But today we'll focus on creating a web app from a document. And by the end of this video, you'll have a live web app link you can share with anyone. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Open Replit first. Go to replit.com and log into your account. When you open Replit, you see a screen asking, what do you want to make? Instead of manually building everything yourself, you can simply describe the app you want, and the AI agent will start generating the project structure for you. So this is where the process begins. Step 2. Describe the app. Now we tell the AI what we want to build. In this case, we want to convert our Google Docs content into a web app. So you can type something like, create a clean, article-style web app that displays my guide with sections and modern typography. Then, click Start. At this point, Replit Agent 4 begins generating the project. It creates the structure, the layout, and basic components in the background. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you're just guiding the agent and letting it help set up the foundation. Step 3. Let the agent build the app. Now, the interesting part begins. The agent starts creating the app step by step. You'll see messages like updating files, creating components, and restarting the server. And within a minute or two, the agent helps generate the first working version of your web app. This is usually the moment where people realize something surprising. You didn't spend hours setting up the structure manually. You simply described the idea and the agent helped generate the application. Quick question. How long do you think it normally takes to build something like this from scratch? For most people, hours or even days. But here, the agent helps generate the structure in minutes. This is one of the reasons Replit's Agent 4 is so powerful. Instead of manually setting up frameworks, project structure, and configurations, the agent understands your goal and begins generating the application for you. Agent 4 can even run multiple agents in parallel, which means different parts of the project can be generated and updated at the same time. You describe the outcome you want, and the agent helps you generate the foundation so you can move from idea to working app much faster. Now, let's preview the app. Step 4. Preview the web app. Once the build is finished, Replit shows a live preview of the app. Now you can see the content displayed as a real interface. For example, a clean header, a title section, and well-structured content. Instead of a plain document, your content now looks like a professional web page, and it's already running. But sometimes when you build apps, small issues can happen. This is where the agent becomes really useful. Step 5. Resolve issues with the agent. Sometimes small issues can happen while an app is being built. While I was building the app on Replit, the server briefly ran into an issue because a port was already in use. Normally, this is where developers start digging through logs and debugging the problem. But here's what happened instead. The Replit agent detected the issue and helped resolve it by restarting the server without needing to manually search through error messages. And once everything is running smoothly, we can move straight to publishing the app. Step 6. Publish the web app. Now we go to the Publishing tab inside Replit. Here you can choose who can access the app. In this case, we select Public, which means anyone with the link can open it. Then click Publish. Replit deploys the app and generates a public URL you can share. And just like that, your web app is live on the internet. When you open the link, you see your content displayed as a fully designed web app with sections, layout, and proper formatting. So something that started as a simple document is now a live application people can access from anywhere. And the entire process took just a few minutes, with Agent 4 helping generate and structure the application. This is why tools like Replit are changing how apps are built, because now creators, founders, and builders can turn ideas, documents, or guides into real products much faster. You focus on the content and the idea, while tools like Agent 4 help accelerate the technical work behind the scenes. If this video helped you, hit the like button so more creators can see it. Subscribe for more step-by-step AI workflows like this, and comment below what you would turn into a web app first. I'll see you in the next one.